In 2022, the best folding bikes will be the ones that are easy to transport and store. They'll have a lightweight design, durable materials, and comfortable seats. These bikes will make cycling more accessible for everyone, no matter their fitness, level, or experience. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is SCHWINN Loop Adult Folding Bike. Searching for a reasonably priced folding bike? The call has been taken by SCHWINN. This aluminum-framed, easily foldable bike only weighs 33 pounds. The rear cargo rack can transport your picnic goods from the grocery store to the park, and the 1/7 Shimano drivetrain with twist grip shifters and effortlessly navigate undulating hills on your grocery route. For the beginner folding bike user who wants to reduce commute times and has limited storage space, the SCHWINN is a no-brainer with 20-inch wheels, intuitive components, quick assembly, and an acceptable pricing. At number 2 is IZZO Campo 20-inch Folding Bike, one of the few manufacturers having bikes in stock. Excellent customer ratings and 2-day shipping through Amazon Prime IZZO. This means that we won't be surprised if you're drawn to the most affordable foldable bike in our evaluation if the idea of having to wait a week or much longer just isn't your cup of tea. The Campo weighs 28 pounds, has 20-inch wheels, and a 1/7 Shimano transmission. To make it even more portable, its pedals fold. This affordable option is a secure choice if you're just getting started with folding bikes. At number 3 is VILANO URBANA Single-Speed Folding Bike. This VILANO is the easiest folding bike you can buy and requires the least amount of maintenance. Since the URBANA just has one speed, there are no shifters or derailleurs to brake. We adore its simplicity. But if you live in a mountainous city, you may want to think again before purchasing a gearless bike. Expectedly, the URBANA boasts 20-inch wheels. For simplicity and dependability, pedal brakes are another area where it varies from other models in our assessment. With a total weight of just 21 pounds, it is also by far the lightest bike. When compared to the next lightest folding bike we examined, that is a difference of 6 pounds. This bike ought to be a contender because it is so unlikely to experience mechanical problems. It weighs so little, and it is so inexpensive. At number 4 is the Exerputic Folding Exercise Bike. There are other foldable possibilities than outdoor bikes. When not in use, the Exerputic Folding Upright Exercise Bike can be folded up, giving you a superb workout without taking up a lot of room. 8 magnetic resistance levels are available on the upright bike, allowing you to adjust the level of difficulty of your workouts every time you go on the bike. It's simple to track your ride distance and speed thanks to the built-in LCD monitor. The bike may not be as powerful or advanced as some of its rivals, sure. However, it is a convenient way to get a good workout in a small area. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.